friends. Today I have five different sectors in which the foreign institutional investors have invested in the second half of April, which is between the 16th of April and the 30th of April. So we'll give you a net idea of the first half of investment and withdrawal by the FIIs and which sectors that it has affected and the likelihood of the companies that were impacted or affected due to their investment and withdrawal during this period. So it suggests that FII showed a strong interest in certain sectors, making substantial investments in the second part of April. These sectors saw the highest stake purchases, reflecting investor confidence and shifting market trends. We'll go through sector by sector. First one is the financial sector service. The stocks that impacted with a substantial increase in the FII holdings is HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, Kotak Bank, and Axis Bank. FIIs bought 22,910 crore stock worth in the second half of April. In Accordingly, in the first half, they sold about 4,500 worth stock during the 1st of April to the 15th of April period. The second sector is the capital goods. This top stocks affected or impacted due to the new purchase are L&T, Siemens, ABB India, Cummins India, and BHEL. The FIIs bought stocks worth 3,019 crores in the sorry 2,944 crores in the second half of April, and they sold 3,019 crores worth in the first half of April. Then we move on to the telecom sector. The telecom sector stocks impacted are Bharti Airtel, Reliance Industries, Jio, Vodafone Idea, Tejas Networks, and Indus Towers. FIIs bought 2,511 crore worth shares in this sector in the second half of April. In the first half, they sold about 2,137 crore worth of stock between 1st to 15th of April. Then the fourth sector is the oil and gas. Oil and gas sector, the stocks impacted are Reliance Industries, ONGC, Indian Oil, GAIL, BPCL. FIs bought 2,400 and 1 crore worth stocks in the second half of April, while in the first half of April they sold stocks worth 2,579 crores. The last sector that we will discuss about is the FMCG sector, which is the fast moving consumer goods sector. It tracks the performance of the fast moving consumer goods companies in India, which makes products like food, beverages, personal care items. The FMCG sector is performing well. The top stocks in this sector are HUL, ITC, Nestle India, Britannia, and Dabur. The FIs bought 2,330 crores worth of shares in the second half of April, and at the same time, the first half of April, they bought about 587 crores in this sector. So, over and over, out of these five sectors, the FMCG sector seems to be having a good foreign institutional investor confidence, which is the reason why it has been a net buy in the entire month of April. Important disclaimer before we end the video, friends. All investment opinions and recommendations mentioned are solely those of the respective experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. The views do not reflect personal opinion or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial loss. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any loss resulting from decisions based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So, friends, thank you for watching the video. Please share this video with your friends, family, and associates, those who would stand to benefit from this information. At least it's a guide on whether the foreign institutional investors are driving their investments too after the impact of the India-Pakistan conflict. There has been some up move in the stock market today, and I hope this would positively impact this further maybe in the coming week or 2 weeks. So let us keep a tab on how the market performs, and any new updates that I get would be shared on a real-time basis. So thanks for watching once again. We'll try to bring you another video sometime later today or maybe early tomorrow morning with more latest information on the stocks that have done well today and what you could be looking forward to in the future as well. So thank you once again.